Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. 500 g all-purpose flour, 7 g instant yeast, 1 tsp fine salt, 300 ml lukewarm water, and 2 tablespoons neutral oil. Mix until shaggy, then knead 8 to 10 minutes until a smooth, elastic dough forms. Use the window pane test to check gluten. Lightly oil a bowl, place dough inside, cover with plastic or a damp towel, and let it rest 60 minutes at room temperature until doubled in size. Finally, punch down gently and divide into 8 equal 75 g balls. Work one dough ball at a time. Flour your surface lightly and roll each 75 g ball into a 4-inch disc, keeping the center slightly thicker than the edges to hold fillings. Spoon 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen filling, cheese, cooked vegetables, or seasoned meat onto the center. Fold into a half-moon or envelope shape and press edges firmly. Use a fork or crimp to seal. Brush with water or egg wash, dock the top with a small slit, and let sealed pockets rest 15 minutes on parchment before baking. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees C and place a baking tray inside to heat. This gives an instant oven spring. Transfer parchment with pockets onto the hot tray and bake 15 to 18 minutes until evenly golden brown and sound hollow when tapped. Allow baked pockets to cool on a wire rack at least 10 minutes so internal steam redistributes and the pockets set. Cutting too soon causes sogginess. Store cooled pockets up to 48 hours in an airtight container at room temperature, or freeze flat for up to 1 month. Reheating from frozen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.